now 9:45 a.m. and punta kami ngayon sa bayan nila para mag-open ng aming bangko. First time namin, is it our first time to have?
Here?
Yeah, a joint.
Yeah.
First ever na joint bank account namin. Ngayon lang kami makakapagbukas. Pero pag yung dito sa pera namin, ginagamit namin yung bangko ni Sumit. The one that we're using right now is your bank, right? Sa kanya lang.
So currently you don't have any bank account here. That's why I want you to have at least one.
Well, you used to have before, is it?
Yeah. When we were living in India.
Siya kasi nagmamanage lahat ng ganyan. Mga bangko, pera.
Because you don't even touch the bank, so
Yes.
it's always me who manage everything.
Oo, kaya siya lang. Which is fine. That's our agreement. I'm the talent. Tapos siya yung manager. All the talent is here.
Yeah.
Oo. Yung mga kinikita pa rin namin sa YouTube, those that we earn from YouTube, it comes here straight, right? Dito sa India siya nag-i-straight, hindi siya sa Canada. Yung mga kinikita namin sa pagtatrabaho sa Canada, doon siya dumediretso. Tapos yung mga pang YouTube, ganyan. Hindi rin naman ako naging active for quite a long time. So, hindi naman siya ganun karami, pero meron pa rin naman kaming ipon dito. Hindi namin nagagalaw yung sa YouTube. So, ngayon mag-open siya ng bank account. Do you have money to put?
No. We are going bankrupt.
Mag-open lang ng
Because
bank
we already
account.
spent a lot of money for the air tickets, the airplane tickets,
Yeah.
and then spending here and there. We are not earning right now. We still paid for the rent in Canada. Yeah, so it's going negative. But it's fine.
But it's fine, cause like,
Once we go back, we will.
and we're not
Back.
sure when are we coming back again.
Yeah.
So, it's okay. Yeah. So, we went back home to see my sister's wedding, and then para lang maging fair, he also wanna see his family side. Para once lang yung papuntang pa ganun. Tapos, we're not sure when are we gonna be coming back here again.
Maybe around 2 years again,
Yeah, ganun yung iniisip namin.
or
3.
till we get our PR.
PR is gonna be like next year.
Yeah, so we come back
I'm
next
sure.
year.
Ganun pala. So, next year babalik din
Yeah.
pala kami.
Once you're PR, good.
Yeah,
You don't need to worry anymore.
You can live outside Canada for 6 months.
6 months, yeah.
Oo. Tapos okay lang, petiks ka na lang. 6 months, you're gonna be able to save some money to spend here for the next year. Next year.
You know Masadji?
Yeah.
Yesterday he was giving me advice.
Yeah.
He said, like, stay there for some time,
Yeah.
earn good money, build property here or maybe in Philippines, have some backup like savings and all in India and in Philippines, and then once we want to retire or something, we just come here.
Yeah.
No need to live in Canada.
That's right.
But yeah, I was thinking, I said, yeah, that's right. Because he said if you buy a house there, you're gonna be paying for the house for next 30 years. So half of your life will be dedicated to paying the mortgage.
That's what I'm
And that's not
you.
the right investment. You're not gonna get anything back for next 30 years, which is correct. And if you, like, let's say we invest something in India or in Philippines, and we want to sell after 5 years, we will get a lot of money back. Like, we will earn money from that.
That's what I have been telling Sumit actually. I told him like I don't see myself working this hard for the next 30 years. So I was like telling him, right now we can afford a house, but I mean an apartment, but
In
not
Alberta.
not in Vancouver.
Not in Vancouver.
In Alberta. So I said like, you just wanna have a house, so if in case in the future like we won't have any job, we will have a place to live. Sabi ko ganyan, why don't we just like buy a house somewhere else? So we're settled now. We have a house, and then the next savings that we will get, we can use for businesses in Philippines and in India, like properties and all that. Then we will be like financially able and strong. Oh, right? That's right too. I agree with Master G. There's no sense like buying a house in Vancouver and then just working 30 years just to pay for that.
Yeah.
Ayan, dito na kami sa bayan nila. Magpapapicture lang daw kami, sabi ni Sumit. Cause we don't have passport size photos. Ang sabi niya, alang-alam daw niya, dinala daw niya, pero hindi namin mahanap kanina. May salon dito, parang gusto kong magpag-salon. Kasi wala na namang salon-salon for the next 2 years. Or I don't know how many years.
if the shop is open.
Okay. Yun lang yung ganap namin today. Kailangan lang namin isettle yung mga kailangan isettle sa bangko. Tapos mamaya si Sumit may ganap siya ng sarili niya. Hindi ko alam kung sasama ko kasi Thursday today. So si mami tsaka si daddy magpupunta sa bangko. Wala nga laging tao sa bahay, guys. Minsan lang natatauhan ng bahay. Siguro sa isang linggo, 2 hanggang 3 araw lang andyan sila mami. Tapos the rest of the days na sa week, wala sila. Lagi silang nasa temple. Iniisip ko walang kasama sina Jackie and Queenie. So parang iniisip ko na magpaiwan na lang ako mamaya. Since hindi naman ako kailangan ni Sumit kasi personal niya yung bank account niya. Ayan ang weather today. Kung makikita nyo, parang very dry talaga yung lugar nila na Sumit, no? Ganyan na itsura, yung maalikabok. Kaya laging maalikabok yung aming sasakyan. Kung makikita nyo yung bahay ni na Sumit, after 2 days, ang alikabok na sa loob. Kahit naman regular siyang nalilinis. Sabi ko kay Sumit, bakit hindi maghanap si mama niya ng tag dito? Ng katulong sa bahay. Kasi matanda na mama niya Tsaka kaya naman. Sabi ni Sumit, mahirap daw humanap ng kasama sa bahay dito sa lugar nila. Hindi daw ganun kadali. Kaya wala kaming kasama sa bahay. Lahat ng trabaho sa bahay ay kami ang gumagawa. Kasi dun sa bahay ng tita ni Sumit dun sa may city area, may kasama sila sa bahay. So, ang kailangan na lang nilang gawin is magluto ng pagkain nila. Yun lang. Yung basta mga kamag-anak ni Sumit sa may city area may mga kasama sa bahay. Tapos hindi niya ako masyadong pinapagawa ng mga gawain sa bahay kasi siguro yung isip niya saglit lang naman kami dito. Tumutulong ako pero very light lang naman.
Sa mother shop.
Sa mother shop.
Yeah.
Oo, very light lang naman pero majority ng gawain sa bahay siya gumagawa. Hindi niya ako pinapagawa. Sasabihin niya, pahinga ka na dun. Sasabihin niya, maghanda ka na kapag lalabas kami. Tapos naghugas ako ng pinggan. Maghanda ka na, gaganyan siya. So hanap pa kami ng ibang shop. Wala daw nagpipicture dito. Not that crowded yet. It's not that crowded yet.
Yeah, it's still morning.
Yeah. Ganyan nagising I woke up at 7.
Yeah, I woke up
So
to work.
early. I wanted to sleep pa.
So tomorrow we are going to Mohali.
Yes.
And I'm asking mom and dad to come with us.
Yeah.
Jackie and Queenie. And Nandi also
What?
keep telling mom.
So what?
But mom is saying that the Jackie and Queenie
Yeah.
is gonna be problem.
And also they just came there, right?
Came back, yeah, a few weeks ago.
Maybe that's why.
But Cover also insisting them. Yeah.
Dito yung mga street food pag
Come,
hapon.
let's go. That one is open.
Dito na kami sa bangko, guys. So guys, pina-finalize lang namin yung aming PR application and we're gonna be submitting today. Ano ng oras? 6:18 p.m. Wow. Ayan na. May declaration and electronic signature na. Tapos nanggaling na rin pala kami ng temple kanina. After namin sa bangko, bumalik kami rito na Sumit. Nag-lunch kami. Tapos siya pumunta siya sa bangko niya. Tapos, tawag dito, nireview lang namin to kanina. Tapos punta kami temple. Tapos pabalik dito. Nalakad kami kasama si Jackie at Queenie. Tapos ngayon na. Sasabit na namin yung application. And
Jackie,
Jack is
can you help me?
here.
I cannot make the decision.
Do you wanna become a
Jackie, are you ugly?
do you wanna
Fat?
do you
Are
wanna
you
become a PR of Canada? Huh? Should we add you? Should we add you with our application? I'll put you as my grandfather.
Okay.
Is that okay? Go ahead.
Is it correct?
Correct. Yay. Sasabit na niya. Jackie, are you excited?
Done.
What happened? Done na? Wait lang, guys. Step 1 done. Step 2 done. Step 3 done. Processing times vary. Check how long it typically takes us to process. Done? How do we know our score?
Oh, they're gonna evaluate. You're gonna only get the score, I think, when you get ITA or something. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I'm not sure. This is my first time doing it, so
I don't know.
I'm learning also.
Because yung mga colleague ko, they know their score. I don't know how
You're
they
gonna
do
get
that.
your confirmation number and link to your official receipt if applicable.
But based on our calculation, my score is around, what?
511?
Minus 10 kasi 30 na ako. 501.
No.
Still? 511. 511 right now. But then, based
Because
on
you
their...
got the ECA, right? Before we didn't have.
Okay, so 511. But, based on their last draw, ang minimum is 540.
Yeah, keep going up.
540 taas. So we still need around 29 more points. But we're good. Actually, my point is very high. No, Jackie? My point is very
Are
high.
you helping, Jackie? No, right?
Compared sa mga kasabayan ko, ha? My point is actually good pala, not that very high. Sorry.
Your application number.
Ooh. We got our application number na.
Export entry.
So, we're expecting to get the decision in like 6 months. 6 months. So, guys, we'll find out next year kung magiging PR na kami or hindi. Excited. Alis kami today, guys. Pupunta kami sa Mohali kung saan nakatara yung aking bayaw at hipag. Usap lang ni Sumit si Daddy sa phone kasi umalis sila ni Mami kanina. Sila Jack and Queenie may iwan na rito sa labas. Ayan, dyan lang sila, mag-chill lang sila sa ilalim ng araw. Kasi malamig. Sina Mami at Daddy nasa temple ulit ngayon. Wala na naman tao sa bahay. Tapos aalis kami ni Sumit. Si Jack at Queenie lang dito. Ayun, masama pakiramdam ng mama nito ni Sumit kanina kasi nga lang mapilit talaga gusto daw niya pumunta ng temple. Galing na sila ng clinic kanina. Si Sumit din medyo masama pakiramdam. Bigla siyang sinina tapos nagkaroon siya migraine. Hindi pa kakagaling lang yan sa lagnat. Suot niya pala yung bagong tracksuit na nabili namin dun sa Gurdaspur. Yung Burberry. Charot na Burberry. Sa akin yung H&M pa rin suot ko yung galing sa Canada. Ayan, set din yan. $45 tong buong set na to. Tapos yung nabili namin sa palengke nila, parang nasa around $25 lang buong set na. So, di ba? Jackie, yeah, I know. Laki ng difference, di ba? Jackie,
Tired?
you went for a walk.
That's why. He was
Lay
feeling.
down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.